text of chapter number 1, comprehension section. Chapter chapter number 1, question number 1. What was the first problem that the three friends came across? सबसे पहली परेशानी क्या थी जिससे उन तीनों का सामना हुआ? तीनों कौन? जेरोम, हैरिस एंड जॉर्ज, जो कि एक वॉक के लिए, हॉलीडे के लिए निकले थे, और उनका वॉक याद रखने लायक यानी कभी नहीं भुला देने सकने वाला बन गया. A walk to remember. So what was the first problem that the three friends came across? In the beginning of their journey, an old signpost indicated to a strange place. जब उनकी जर्नी शुरू हुई थी तब एक साइन पोस्ट ने, जो कि बहुत ही पुराना सा था, एक ऐसे स्ट्रेंज प्लेस की ओर इंडिकेशन दिया जहां वो कभी नहीं गए थे. तो यहाँ से उनकी ट्रैवल स्टार्ट हुई. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. व्हाट हैपेंड व्हेन जेरोम ट्राई टू लीड देम टू टॉटमूस? जब जेरोम ने अपने साथियों को टॉटमूस को लीड करने का इरादा किया तो क्या हुआ? द रोड सजेस्टेड बाय जेरोम एंडेड सडनली इन अ वास्प्स नेस्ट. जो रोड जेरोम ने सजेस्ट किया वो आखिर में कहाँ जाकर ख़त्म हुआ? वास्प्स के नेस्ट में, यानी जहाँ पर हिल का डाउन एरिया था और वहाँ पर वास्प्स के यानी ततैयों के घर बने हुए थे, उनके नेस्ट बने हुए थे. It was quite strange and dangerous also. Question number 3. How did Harris want to solve the problem? How did Harris want to solve the problem? Harris इस प्रॉब्लम को कैसे सॉल्व करना चाहता था? He suggested to use science, and he suggested to follow the north direction found out from the help of science, which was exact according to him. Question number 4. Why did George want to go back to the village? Because both Jerome and Harris had misled him and he was in difficulty. Question number 5. Why did all three of them remember the church? Because there was no mistaking the church. That's why all three of them remember the church. Question number 6. Who solved the problem in the end? आखिरकार प्रॉब्लम को किसने सॉल्व किया? एंड व्हाट वाज द सॉल्यूशन? सॉल्यूशन क्या था? जॉर्ज saw a gentleman who was cutting hay, and he showed the way to the place the man wanted to go. So first of all, George indicated to the gentleman who was seen by George, and the gentleman showed the way. So these were the question of chapter number 1. Answer in brief. Now we have to look towards grammar section directly, and we have to say whether the highlighted words are common nouns, proper nouns, abstract nouns, collective nouns, or compound nouns. So number 1, the small velvet bag was full of diamonds. The pink word is a noun, and we have to say that this is a common noun. Number 2, I'm going to Kochi tomorrow. Kochi is a proper noun because it is giving a specific name to the place. Number 3, the owl is often used to represent wisdom. Wisdom is a noun which cannot be touched, so it is an abstract noun. Number 4, they stopped for a picnic next to a beautiful waterfall. It is a common noun, or we can say it is a compound noun also because it is a group of two words, water and fall. But mostly it is a common noun. Number 5. The film began with a fleet of ships sailing across the ocean. Fleet is a collective noun which shows the group of ships. Number 6, look at the beautiful old bridge. Bridge is a common noun. Section B, complete these sentences with the correct words from the box. Then say whether the highlighted words are countable or uncountable. Countable nouns are the nouns that can be counted, and uncountable ones are the nouns that cannot be counted. So, number one, I want to pick some flowers for my aunt, maybe a small bunch. Some is a countable noun. Number two, there is a large amount of oil spilled on the floor. Did she spill the entire bottle? A large amount of this is an uncountable noun. Number three, it takes enough courage. Enough is uncountable. Pia is a kind girl and has a lot of friends. Countable. Do we have plenty of money to buy buns for everyone? Plenty of money. Uncountable noun. There are many films for us to choose from, a good variety. In fact, it is a countable noun. Complete the sentences with a, an, or the. Number one, a table is a piece of furniture. The houses are built with bricks and cement. Cross after with. Number three, the moon is so beautiful tonight. Number four, the tomato is a fruit, not a vegetable. Number five, a solid education can give you the good start in life.